What is up, KT Dynasty? If you are a new viewer, hi, hey, hello, how you doing? And welcome to the family. You guys, if you have not done so already, which I don't know why you wouldn't have, but if you haven't, please make sure you smash that subscribe button so hard. Wow. Come get your son, please. Baby T, stop. Dumped out my thing of butter.
That sounds about right.
Bro. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I'm so terribly sorry about that. I don't know why or what possessed my baby to come over here and just grab the thing of butter, but it was bound to be expected. You know, he moves really quick. So, yeah. Anyways, you guys, we have the Coldest water bottle in the building. Make sure you get a free one of these and enter yourself into the giveaway. All you have to do is give them a little bit of information, and you can get a chance to win one of these babies for free. But it's going to be something better. It's going to be something worth your while. It's going to be a gallon jug of the Coldest water bottle. Or if you just want to do a little shopping and make sure you save some coins, please look in the description Please look in the description box down below for that second link where you can do just that and enter KT for the promo code and save 10% off, you guys. Garlic and parsley and all that good stuff on them. I don't know if I should sit them like this or if I should sit them like this because the lighting kind of looks a little bit weird. Or maybe, no, yeah, the light is just like so bright looking. But anyways, you guys, we are just going to dive right in, and we got to make sure that this looks real pretty and cute sitting right next to me. I've got my lemons. Actually, I'm going to take this down right here. You guys, can you believe I actually have a cute little setup now? I'm so happy. You guys won't believe what my food was sitting on before, and I don't even know if I want to tell you guys. You might laugh at me. But yeah, we got it together now, sis. We got ourselves together now. Anyways, I'm starving, so I'm just going to dive right in. Woo. Can you close your room door? Please and thank you. Oh my God. I want to cry. I want to cry so bad, so good. Here we go. You guys, I have some good news. Your girl just got a new job. You guys, I've been a stay-at-home mommy for a good 2 years now. I loved every moment, every split second of it. You know, being able to spend time with my kids and make our bond stronger is such a blessing. But your girl is ready to get back to that work life. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Until this YouTube stuff really starts like taking off, we gotta start making smart moves. And me getting a job is one of them. And then our next move is going to be to find a new place. Because I'm so freaking sick of my landlord, y'all. Ooh, these are juicy. These are so good. Oh, no.
Can I go more?
You want one? Yeah. You want just a leg?
No, the whole thing up there. The whole dang thing.
Let me see if I can find a big leg. Here's a big leg. glad y'all can't see what's going on the other side of the camera. But yeah, anyways, me and Babe, we were talking about finding a different place a little closer to where my new job is going to be. And I think it'll just work out so conveniently. Instead of having to commute back and forth so much between like him dropping me off at work and then coming back home with the boys and have to load the kids in the car every time. You know, we did that a long time ago, but that was back when we had like, we had 2 kids and we have 3 now. And I can drive, don't get me wrong, but it's just like, I can't see at nighttime. And that's when my shifts are going to be scheduled. So we just gotta do what we gotta do. You know? You want some butter? You said it was good? No! Dang. It was so good. I'm trying to get all the meat out. I need all the meat. I know y'all miss these seafood videos. Y'all don't really mess with me like that unless I post seafood, so here y'all go. I know you didn't have to say what I think you said. I'll look at you like that again. Oh, get out of there. These are so good. I need to get another box of these. Oh my goodness, you guys. I don't really even have much to say today. It's just so freaking good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, this is really hitting different. Okay. That's what it reminds me of. And I'm like, I like the vibes. I'm loving the vibes. Mm. 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 Oh, that just came out real nice. Mm. Yep, that's empty. Mm. Actually, I'm gonna probably cut that part out. You hear me, babe? I said I'm probably gonna cut that part out. Mm. 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 Dang. Mm. Mm. Wow. I do not know how to act right now. Mm. I just know it's good. Mm. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez. Mm.
No, don't eat that. No, don't eat that.
Mm. Dang. Mm. 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 Jesus. Mm. Dip that. Mm. 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 Oh my God. Mm. Mm. Whoa, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Mm. Mmm. Ooh. What's wrong with my fat daddy? My baby is getting so big so fast, you guys. Oh my goodness. He can literally crawl out of the bed and in the bed with no problem. Oh my god. Like, he's just getting so big, so fast. Slow down. Squeeze some of this lemon on here, y'all. Xavier, close your room door. Get the baby and close the room door. Xavier.
Yes.
Get the baby and close the room door.
Okay. He doesn't want to be that busy.
Just let him play in your room for a sec.
He doesn't really want to leave you. Wait, don't let me in here, baby. Please. Please don't.
Can you close the door, please?
Hey, you are okay.
Oh, look at this little bitty claw. Oh my god.
Let me free. I want to be free. Let's go to the playback.
You know what? In a sec, I'm not about to be so nice. What did I ask y'all to do? What did I ask you to do? Get the baby and go in your room. I'm not going to ask you again. Both of y'all. I'm almost done. Y'all act like you can't get him for 15 freaking minutes. Or 20 minutes. Close the door. Oh my gosh. Some days are better than others, you guys. Sometimes I'll ask them to get the baby. It won't be a problem. Sometimes you'll see the baby with me in the video because it is a problem. Sometimes I don't feel like hearing anybody's mouth. But right now, I made everybody else some food, and it's time for me to enjoy my food. Ooh. Ooh, the whole thing came off. Hold on. Stop opening them.
Sorry, let me just. I couldn't. This.
What's wrong with the spray bottle?
We got any Band-Aids.
Wow. There's some butter in there. Mm. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy right now. Like, mm, mm, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Mm, mm. Mm. I'm getting food. I probably have stuff all over my face, you guys. I don't even care because I'm so into this. It's like all of my worries have gone away because I'm eating seafood. Mm. 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 Let me just push this right out so I can get the whole piece. Oh yes. Oh, it's falling apart though. Mm. 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 Oh, this is about to be a phenomenal bite right here. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Mm. Mm. Yes, 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 yes. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. This one wants to make me work for it. Mm. Put my thing down, flip it in reverse it. Mm. 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 Oh my god. Mm. Yes. Yes. Dang, I was hoping the last one was gonna come out real nice. Mm. 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 Wow. That's a little fatty that came out of that leg. Mm. 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 Ooh. Mm. 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 Oh my god, oh my god. Excuse me. I just inhaled it. Y'all. Is that it? Is that all? I think that's it, you guys. Oh, I found a little piece right here. Wow. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next seafood video.